Something is terribly wrong with offline advertising. For the last 90 years, we have been consuming the ads same old dull and conventional way. With becoming of internet, with interactivity and measurement, it has changed. And today, we will change this again by introducing online tools to the offline ads. Let's look to one particular industry, digital out-of-home advertising. Every year, $8 billion is being thrown into digital out-of-home industry, and not one single dollar is being measured. We will change that. My name is Martin, and this is Monolith. Monolith is Google Analytics for the real world. How did we do this? We have created a small box, it's here, which transforms any dumb advertising display into smart and interactive one in only 1 minute and in 10 times less cost than anything else. Our proprietary software does an image analysis, and we immediately know if the people in front of the screens are watching the ads or not. And we even can tell their gender. So Spencer, thanks for inviting us, and you told us it's everything about the demo, so let's proceed immediately to demo. My board will kill me for this, because they say do not never show this experimental data and experimental things, but as you could see, we are really keen on Monolith, and we are keen on Kubrick, so we did a small, fun project for us, which is really cool. So look at this. Now our device is knowing where I'm standing, and I could activate it only by looking at it. So I will stand in front of it and look just in front of it, and it knows that I look at it, and now it tracks me. Do not be afraid, this is not a real HAL. It doesn't read lips. And you can see it really tracks me and knows, am I watching? You see that attention time, and when I come back to you, it again goes back and attention is 0. So I will show you a little bit more extra data, but I will tell you a little story. You know that Niels Bohr guy, that Copenhagen physicist? So he has a horseshoe in his house, and horseshoe is in Europe, you know, a superstitious thing, and he's a physician, and his friend asks, Niels, how come do you believe in this thing? It's superstition. Do you really believe in it? And Niels says, of course, I don't believe. But they told me it works even if you don't believe in it. So what we want to do is we want to make offline advertising count. And what we will prove today, that these offline ads really work, and that you don't have to believe to them because they really work. So now, please, let's go to our tracking style, and you will see a real-time statistical analysis of people in front of the ads. If you want to join, please join. I need some volunteers. Oliver, you could come. Oliver Rothschild, our chairman. Somebody else? Please. Thank you very much.
Always happy to help.
Thank you. Of course. Please. So you see this. Now we are in front of the screen, and it automatically recognizes. You have seen 145 bypasses. It goes up when you come out and you come back in. It will. You could do it also. And the number is rising again. And we track eye movement, we track position of the head, and we report it immediately on screen. Thank you very much. Now, please, let's go to some real data from other pilots and conferences. To be more specific, we were at the WPP Athens stream, and now what I will show for the first time is the first online reports for the offline world. You see this? So if you're a Coca-Cola and you have an ad running across the malls, and we will report back to you how many people have seen your ad. I think it's really fabulous. So this was Monolith, and I want to leave you with one thing. Monolith makes offline advertising count. Thank you.